Make sure you are nice and clean. Alright guys, so today we're on lake tires. Today in North Carolina, it's currently like 78 degrees. It feels amazing out. And we're gonna try to catch you some. Never fished out in the open water here. First chance in the yak. I've seen some really good fish pulled out of here. So we're gonna see if we can't catch a few ourselves. This water's staying. Uh-uh. Wow. That looks like a good one. I'm coming. Dylan just caught a big. Oh wow, nice. Heck yeah.
Yes, sir. I ain't got my pliers. You got your pliers?
Yeah.
Shit, yeah.
Nice. Yes, sir.
Shit. Hurry up. Hurry up. I need pliers now. It's bleeding.
It'll be all right. They don't die that quick.
That was not a good idea, bro.
What was it? Crankbait?
Yep.
Damn. Hell yeah. Dealing with the first fish. A good 2.5, 3 pounds. Heck yeah. Yes, sir. Finally, guys. Ow. Texas rig. Crack and crawl. Crack and crawl. Here we go, guys. Fish number 1. Nice little chubby fella. We're gonna get him back and see if we can't catch us another. Heck yeah. Dealing with fish number 3. I still only got one. Look at that. That's a nice 1.5, 2 pounder. Heck yeah. Pretty colors on it too.
Did you say 2?
Yeah, 2.5.
I think this one's fatter than the other one, so this one's going to be over 3.
No. Two and a half.
3.3.
3.3.
3.3.
What, much bigger?
Not 3 ounces, 0.3.
Yeah.
So like 6 ounces.
Oh, it'd be almost 5.
Almost 7 ounces. So it'd be like 6.5 ounces. Keep playing.
He about got me. He is trying his damnedest, boy. Oh my goodness, done dipped my rod out in the water. There we go, guys. Fish number 2, finally. Here we go. Bigger than the last one. Let's keep going. Heck yeah. Yeah, that wasn't a very big one, but it was a fish. And then I nested. Dang. Any good size?
2 over here is good.
Yeah, he caught 2 3-pounders. But other than that, it seemed like the bite's kind of dying off a little bit. But we're going.
Hey, there was a huge one over here. It had to have been about 5. I lost the dang crankbait on.
Dang. Heck yeah. Yeah, man. Appreciate it. I thought you did that one day. We was at Got one. Hey, and the camera's on. Oh yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Yes, sir. You already hooked this one, or somebody has. On that crankbait, baby. Look, I'm putting my rod all over the place again. You got the scales? Look at that, guys. Yes, sir. Yep. Look at that. You got the scales? You hear me? Scales? Oh, yeah, Look at that, guys. That's a chunky monkey right there, boys. Yes, sir. I'm gonna say he's probably about 2.5.
What?
2.5. I don't know, he's pretty thick.
Oh, man,
Right? No doubt. Oh, that is not correct. All right, there we go. 2.64. All right. All right, buddy. Till next time. Let them go, let them grow, baby. Oh, shit. It got caught in the weeds and I didn't know it. I went to push away and it slapped the side of the boat. There's a little hot spot right here, boys. On these here cranky baits. Say what? Make sure the line ain't frayed. Nah, we good. Oh man. And and I just had caught one and it came off. So yeah, definitely. Dude, that one I hooked over on that little finesse jig, that thing had to be a monster, because when I was pulling up, he was still going down. And that was with the drag set as tight as I could get it. Because when it first initially hooked, it started pulling drag. And I was like, ooh, snap. I ain't never had one pull drag on hit. Good morning, guys. Where are we at? We are at Lake Tomalex in Lexington, North Carolina. Yeah, we're somewhere out here. Yeah, guys, we're out here and we're gonna see if we can't get it done this morning. Catch a few before the sun comes up. Well, it's already up. We're late, but you know. That early bird stuff, you know. I ain't not here fishing for birds. I'm out here fishing for fish. Early bird gets to worm my ass. Ow! Hell yeah. Look at that, guys. We've been... Nope, jig. My little jig. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. We've been out here for a while now. Finally got the first fish. Yeah, let's go. Good solid pound and a half, maybe 2. Solid fish. Hell yeah, no doubt. Hell yeah. Yeah, that's awesome.
What color is that jig?
Green pumpkin. Well, of course, you know my Menace trailer on there. Gotta have that Menace trailer, guys. If you ain't got it on your jigs, you ain't doing something right. Oh, goodness gracious, guys.